Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so we're going to start today with a little creation from Fia Jordan, Ian, and Anaya. So these are peppers, corn, eggplants, and carrots. So you can tell which of the plants these are based upon the colors. But again, these are just typical brain flakes. Put them together, create something. That's how all inventions are made. You take something you know and make it into something better. All right, then I have a project that our fourth graders can definitely appreciate. This is from several students in the Johans. It's very fragile. So this is Gigi, Violet, Mia, Claire, Levi, let's see, Aaliyah. Some of the names I can't read. Iris is there. Let's see. I think that's it, and Adrian. So this is a castle. Now, I'm going to try to hold it up so you can see it, but you won't be able to see me. So I hope you can see the whole thing. Okay. And then what they did was they put little fun facts, which I'm going to have to put the castle down to give you. So the fun facts look like this. It says flip. When you flip it up, it gives you a fun fact about castles. So for example, castles were places that royalty lived, and they were common in fairy tales. Yes. Here's another flip. They are very old. Castles are really old. Yes. Now, there aren't too many around here. There is one not too far, Ohika Castle, but they're mostly in Europe and older countries than the United States. Let's see. They are rare. That's true around here. And the last fun fact, let's see. The queen usually lived in the castle, 100%. So I want to thank all of you for this wonderful project as well. All right. Then I have a super cool project on Titanoboas. Now this one is by Andrew Toledo. So if you're not familiar with Titanoboas, these are an extinct snake that were massive. I mean massive. So I'm going to pull up a quick image on my phone to give you an idea of how big these are. So there's the human and there's the Titanoboa. Yeah, so of course these lived a long time ago, like 65 million years ago, back with the dinosaurs. But they were about 50 feet long, and if you can see what Andrew gave us is how long the Titanoboa was compared to a bus. And they weighed thousands of pounds. Can you imagine how much they ate every day? And they were one of the very interesting creatures of that time. But being a snake, of course, they were low to the ground, and so they had advantages over some of the other creatures. All right. And then finally for today, I have a 2D picture by Lauren, again made out of some puzzle pieces that are somewhat like the brain flakes. All right, moving on to our mystery number and Wordle. So, my word was permeate. Permeate. P-E-R-M-E-C, and that's what I was saying, these last three letters, A-T-E, those are a word. And you know that's a homonym with the number 8. But when you add A-T-E to a word, it changes it into a verb. When you can change a word into a verb. And it means, therefore, to do it. So something that permeates is something that spreads throughout. So When we walk down the halls and we are kind to each other and we say hello, we have kindness permeating the hallways of McVeigh. If I dropped a couple drops of red dye into a glass of water, it would spread throughout the glass. The red would permeate the water. So, this is a science word that we use to talk about when we make a mixture, when we add salt to something or whatever. But it's also a word that we use when we talk about what it is to be at McVeigh. Having kindness permeate our hearts, always be spread around in our hearts, have it permeate our hallways, our classrooms, and our playgrounds. So permeate was my word this week. And the Jalfins, congratulations, the only class who got this mystery number, 1650. So this word goes back to 1650. That's almost 400 years ago. That is as old as a castle. It's a super important word. It's been around for a while. So let's see if we can make sure that every day we make kindness permeate in our hallways. And that brings us to our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is coming from Savvy. Be kind, like a mighty mind. Yes. Why? Because you can. And every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.